Hello dear students, in this video we're going to take a look on how to create video presentations using Canva. Okay, grid filters, virtual cam. So start virtual camera. Okay. I'll tell you later on why. We saw in another video how to create video presentations using the video option. I wouldn't say template because we didn't use any template. Now, we can also create video recording using the presentation model template, sorry. Okay. So I always suggest start from 0 because you'll always have access to templates, as we have already seen. I already have a presentation here. Okay. So sorry, this is a video presentation. I think it's this one. Scenarios, gears, camera recording. Yeah, here we go. We're going to try and create the same presentation, short sample presentation, using the presentation option. So you can, the way you can create, there are different ways you can create presentations in Canva. You come here to presentations and then you have templates. You start directly from here, presentation, or you can create design. You can go here to create design and choose presentation, all right? And open it. I already have a presentation. You can add content. Maybe you can watch another video, I think it's in French, on how to add content to presentations. I already have a presentation here with transitions. Let me just check. There are some animations. Present. So the way presentations work, you come here and you choose present full screen and then start presenting. This is one way of doing things. I'm just so you use the arrows, the arrow keys, left for going backwards and right for going forwards. Yeah, I'm just making sure the presentations, the transitions work properly. Yeah, it's interesting. All right. So if you have a presentation, how can you transform it into a video? I'm not getting into the details on creating, adding content here, because you have in the presentation you have elements, different elements you can add here, like drawings, squares, circles. You can have uploads. You upload your own images, your own files. You can add text. There are many options concerning text, and there are pro and free versions. You can draw. I think this is new. I've just seen this. Anyway, I didn't try it, but I'm not going to do it now. It might take some time. You can add from other projects. Draw gives you a lot of options here. Interesting. You can use or borrow from other projects. Okay, you can open other projects and borrow certain pages from them. I wasn't aware of this when I made the other video. I think this opens up a lot of options and adds a lot of flexibility and accessibility and makes Canva more practical. What I like about Canva is there are always things to add. You can go to apps here. These apps usually give you access to other platforms like Google Drive, YouTube, Pixabay, which I like a lot, Pexels, okay? There are many other platforms that are accessible directly through apps. Okay. All right. So I have already done that. I created certain slides. I go to the first one. Now, what can I do right now? How can I transform this into a video? It's very simple. You come here, present. Okay. And instead of presenting directly, you're not presenting to an audience in real time. You can have presenter view when you have notes, but you have present and record. present and record. Okay, this is the one. So take present and record, and then next. And by the way, when you make a presentation, before you make a presentation, create a copy of the project. Why? Because for every project you can only make one video for every presentation. If you want to remake the video for mistakes and things like that, you have to erase the original one. So to avoid that, you come here and choose make a copy before you start making videos of a presentation. Okay, make a copy, and you can rename one of the copies. You can rename it here. One of the copies you can rename it video. You can add video for video. Okay. All right. So I come here. Well, as you see, I have the link of the video which I have already made, and copy. It says copy here. So this is what I was talking about. I already made introduction au multimédia. I already made a video for this. So I'm going to choose another presentation for which I haven't made the video yet. Français. Here it goes. So I have present. I go to present and record. Next. Sorry. What did it do? Present. Yeah, present and record. Next. It has to give me options regarding, go to recording studio, regarding whether or not I want to use the, so allow, whether or not I want to use the camera. I don't have a camera added. I have the integrated camera. I'm not going to use it. Allow. Okay. Might take some time, so just be patient. Yeah, OBS camera. Let me just check OBS camera, or OBS camera 3. Now let's imagine this is my webcam. I can choose to record the webcam, or I can simply choose to have no camera. And the microphone, I haven't chosen the microphone yet, or the one that I have chosen is not working. So microphone, voice meter, test. There's nothing. It gives you a preview on whether or not the microphone is working, so that you can make sure there is some recording. So réseau de microphone. Testing. Okay. So it is working. So now I'm going to speak in French. While I'm speaking French, just excuse my French first. And second, when I'm speaking in French, you have to realize that I am recording the presentation. So start recording. 3, 2, 1. Bonjour, chers collègues. J'espère que vous allez bien. Dans cette vidéo, on va avoir une petite introduction aux différents scénarios, l'équipement et le processus de la création des produits pédagogiques multimédia. Premièrement, il faut comprendre les scénarios de la création de ces produits multimédia. Pause. As you can see, I can pause. Interesting option here. I can pause. Okay, I can pause the recording and resume later on. You can add the notes in the presentation, but this is something for another video perhaps. So I will resume. Alors, chers collègues, il y a 3 scénarios. Ce sont l'enregistrement vocal, les enregistrements vidéo et les animations et les captures d'écran des présentations PowerPoint ou des animations visuelles. Okay, I'm going to end the recording. Okay. You can cancel and restart. You can pause. but you cannot edit online unless you download the video, edit it on the computer, and upload it to YouTube or any other platform. So I have finished the sample presentation. So what I have here is the link to the video. I can copy it simply without downloading it. I can copy it, and it's always going to be there. Even if I close this window, it's going to be there, as you have already seen. So I can copy it and I can share it with people, publish it online. I can share it on Facebook. And with this link, it's going to be possible for other people to watch the video I created. So the link took me directly to the video. Bonjour chers collègues, j'espère que vous allez bien. Dans cette vidéo, on va avoir une petite introduction aux Excuse my French. Différents scénarios, l'équipement et le processus de la création des produits pédagogiques. All right, you can use space bar to start if you want to watch it again. What's interesting is that every slide, whenever there is a shift to a new slide, there are these dots, okay, for the viewers, okay. Subtitle here, yeah, show captions, yeah, let's see. It's problem is that I was speaking in French and it was reading it in English. Anyway, you can deactivate the captions, but if it's in English, I think it's going to be fine. So you see here, this dot here, it's the new slide. So just watch. Premièrement, il faut comprendre les scénarios. You have an automatic playlist, if we can call it so. I wouldn't say playlist, but timestamps, list of timestamps that are added automatically. This is interesting. So this is one way of sharing this the content of this video. Another way is through downloading it directly. Where is it? Here it is. You can save and exit, or you can download, and very much the same as the download process might take a while to give you the options to name your file and so on. And I think by with these two options, videos and presentations, recorded presentations in Canva, you can very easily create audiovisual content. And if you have the patience and time to learn how to animate and how to design your presentations, you're going to have very interesting results. Thank you for your attention. Okay.